Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new plate. It looks like this. Let me remove it is from Whats Up. It looks like this. Sorry about the light. So it has like a transparent film on it. Like that. So I'll be doing some nail art. You see it better down here, like this. So of course I want to try my new plate. With the plate I will make some art, nail art, and I will use Orly tennis ball neon, and then I'll use W7 fluorescent pink too. Then I will use Orly what's name, skinny dip, and maybe, I'm not sure yet, Moyou crazy citrus. So I'm thinking these color at least. Then I will use some how you say, vinyls, or I will use a stamper. I don't know which one yet. I will use my matte top coat, Deborah. And anything else, I will write it down in the comments below. So let's get started. So excuse my hands, they are all like peeling, but it's nothing to do with the acetone. This happens to me every summer. I'm not sure why, but then my skin on my hand starts peeling off like this. Anyway, I'm gonna start putting this like this in the middle. Let me see, it looks pretty straight. And I'll take my Orly first.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step.
I'll put their website down below in the comments.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are
I'm gonna do like this with the rest of the nails except the ring finger. I'm gonna use the blue, Orly blue and Moyou green. They look like this now. I did apply first Seshvit and then matte top coat. So I really love neon colors. Now I'm gonna stamp, and I have chosen to use my major digit stamper. I like to change between my stampers instead of just using the same one all the time. I'm gonna use Born Pretty in black stamping polish. Any link I have for the products I'm using, I will leave them in the description, so remember to check it out. Yeah, I'm not the best stamper yet, but practice make master, or how you say, something like this. Let me try one more time. Stamp it much better, because this nail is very long. I'll have to find a way. But before I stamp the last and the other hand, of course, I want to show you a polish I bought. This one from H&M. It's called Prismatic, and it looks like this. It's really beautiful. I bought it online. I will leave the link, but I don't know if you are in America, and I don't know if you can use it, but I'll put the link. So I was thinking to put it on my pinky. Let me take a new piece. Because this one is too small for the images, so I had to find something else. So let's see. Maybe sponging would be better, but maybe I'll just apply like 2 layers, I think would be enough. Oh, it's really pretty. Really pretty. Yeah, so I let this dry and then I'll do another coat so I can cover the whole nail. That's, yeah, it's good for first. It looks really pretty. So let me do the last nail and some cleanup. One more coat here and then I'll show you the result. If you like my design, remember to hit the likes button. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you love nail art, more nail videos to come. And I still have many new things that I would like to show you, review. So a lot of stuff coming up. And by the way, I forgot to say that the green Moyou I was using is also a stamping polish. And the major digit stamper, it looks a little bit like the new Born Pretty stamper, but it is really good. I used it for this mani and it stamped good. It's only me that need practice, but the stamper is really good. But I wanted to show you the head because the head is different from the Born Pretty head. The Born Pretty head is, yeah, I haven't got it right here with me, but it's you can see like this. It's very different from the other Born Pretty stamper. The Born Pretty stamper is also very good. I just wanted to say that it's different. Anyway, I hope you liked my tutorial and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.